Hi folks, it's Chad Sorsey with Smarthouse Lending. The message for today and moving forward this week is I'm going to be available to help you with any open houses that you have here at Smarthouse Lending. We realize how hard that you work in preparation for the open house, and we want to help you market that open house after you've done this open house. We know it's really cutthroat out there. You can do an open house and not get credit, or somebody says, I'll use my realtor, and you get cut out of it. Anyhow, my goal is to help you get credit for the open house that you've worked so hard. We know it takes a lot of time with preparation and putting out signs before and after the event, getting it ready for the public. Craig just called me, Craig Helm with Keller Williams, another shout out to Craig today. He told me about this house. It's been reduced by $20,000 in this challenging market. 4153 Fallwood Circle, Orlando. It's a 3-2 granite countertop, stainless steel appliances. The house looks beautiful, 1915 square feet on a quarter-acre lot. Give Craig Helm a call, Keller Williams, 407-341-8919. And if you need help with an open house or just looking for a great mortgage, my name is Chad Sorsey, again with Smarthouse Lending, 813-380-3081. Happy Tuesday, everybody.